have been, has been, had been. These can be a little tricky. Let's have a look at how to use them. Firstly, have been and has been are used in the present perfect continuous form for actions that started in the past and are still happening, or actions that have recently stopped but still affect the present. We use have with I, you, we, they, and plural nouns. For example, you have been working hard. The students have been studying all night. On the other hand, has is used for he, she, it, and singular uncountable nouns. For example, he has been playing the guitar all day. The sun has been shining all day. Had been is the past perfect continuous. We use this for actions that were ongoing in the past and continued up to another action in the past. And we can use all subjects for had been. For example, they had been traveling before they settled down. The tree had been growing for many years before it was cut down. So let's take a look at some everyday examples of when we can use these. Firstly, in travel experiences, I have been to Paris twice, meaning I have visited Paris 2 times in the past. Or I have visited Paris twice. Note, we don't need to for using visited. We can use it in a question. Have you been to the new museum? If yes, we can say, yes, I have been to the new museum. If no, you can say, no, I haven't. However, we cannot use specific times. For example, I have been to England last year. No, it's wrong. We can also use it for past experiences. Before I started my current job, I had never been to Asia. This means up until starting my job, I hadn't visited Asia. And for continuous actions, she has been learning Spanish for 5 months. I have been playing golf for over 20 years. Past continuous actions. I had been studying English for 3 years when I left school. They had been living in Canada for 10 years before they decided to move. We can also use the passive voice. For example, your visa application has been processed. The cookies had been baked before the guests arrived. The passengers had been waiting for 1 hour before the train was cancelled. Hopefully, these show a lot of good examples of how to use have been, has been, and had been.